recently purchased a motorcycle kit for my Pak-a-punches, and I've been trying to figure out which one of these is which, because there's apparently no cross-references like there is for vehicles. So this one's pretty obvious. It's SU1, so it's for Suzuki. So I got one of my Suzuki keys, and I put it in, and it's kind of loose, and there's no real way to tighten it up. So I went through all my old Pak-a-punch parts, and I found a different one of these. It appears that they have redesigned that part, but didn't actually check whether it fit all the carriages. Because now it doesn't take a whole lot of turning, and it's in there solid. So yeah, good job, A1 Manufacturing.